Welcome to You're Not an Expert Just Because You Can Query a Chatbot. So, Plaud Note and NotePin. $159 for what's essentially a credit card-sized voice recorder with AI transcription, or the wearable NotePin version that clips to your shirt or goes around your neck. And honestly, the hardware is genuinely impressive. Apple-level build quality, magnetic MagSafe attachment, 30-hour battery life. But the software? That's where things get complicated. Look, I've been testing this thing for weeks now, and the hardware engineering is legitimately excellent. Credit card dimensions, 26 grams, aluminum construction. It feels premium in a way that most tech gadgets don't anymore. The magnetic attachment system works exactly as advertised, and the 64 GB storage means you're not running out of space anytime soon. But here's where my engineer brain starts twitching. The transcription quality is genuinely concerning. GPT-4o gets names wrong frequently, struggles with unusual words, and the accuracy drops significantly in noisy environments. And we're not talking about minor hiccups here. Users report cut-off recordings due to button delay, poor grammar detection, and the need for manual language selection for every single recording. Now, they do let you choose between different AI models. Claude 4, GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5 Pro, the whole lineup. Problem is, they all perform poorly for transcription. It's like having multiple broken engines to choose from. And yes, you can add custom words to their industry glossary feature, but honestly, it's dumb as straw. The system doesn't actually learn or improve contextually. It's just keyword matching that barely impacts accuracy. And the missing features? Absolutely no way to teach the system domain-specific terminology or contextual understanding. When transcription fails, which happens frequently, there's no mechanism to improve accuracy through user feedback or custom vocabularies. It's like having a smart assistant that never learns from its mistakes. So who is this actually for? If you're in controlled environments with clear speakers and minimal background noise, it works well. Think formal presentations, one-on-one interviews, structured meetings, but for chaotic real-world scenarios. Conference calls with multiple speakers, noisy environments, technical discussions with jargon. The transcription quality becomes unreliable fast. Now here's where it gets interesting from an engineering perspective. Could you build this yourself for about 40 euros? Absolutely. ESP32, Room 32D board for $8, INMP441 ME-MS microphone for $5, Max 98357 amplifier for $3, SD card module for $2, LiPo battery and charging circuit for $10, add a custom PCB, 3D printed enclosure, and you're looking at total component costs under 40 euros. The difference? Your DIY version could use local whisper for transcription, eliminating privacy concerns entirely. Open source ESP32 projects already exist with ChatGPT integration, DeepGram STT, and custom voice processing. You'd get better transcription accuracy, no subscription fees, complete privacy control, and the ability to customize everything: prompt engineering, vocabulary training, output formats. I mean, the ESP32 I2S audio recording is well documented, GitHub repositories are available with working code, and the AI integration is straightforward. You could even implement real-time transcription, something Plaud can't do because of their cloud dependency. But let's be honest about the trade-offs. The Plaud's hardware refinement is genuinely impressive. The magnetic attachment, battery optimization, form factor engineering, that's months of industrial design work. Your DIY version will work technically, but it won't have that premium feel or plug-and-play convenience. My take? For occasional users or those who value premium hardware design, the Plaud Note delivers on build quality. The transcription works acceptably in ideal conditions, and the summarization features can be useful for structured content. But the privacy implications, subscription dependency, and transcription limitations make it hard to recommend for serious professional use. Software alternatives like Nota provide higher accuracy and lower costs, while DIY solutions offer complete control and customization. If you're considering the Plaud Note, ask yourself, are you paying $159 plus subscription for the convenience, or could you invest that same money in building something better suited to your specific needs? Because from an engineering perspective, the underlying technology isn't revolutionary. It's just packaged beautifully. The broader question is whether we need dedicated hardware for AI transcription at all, or if this functionality should just be built into our existing devices with better privacy controls and offline processing. But that's probably a discussion for another video. That's my honest assessment after extensive testing. The hardware engineering is excellent, the software implementation has significant limitations, and the DIY alternative is more viable than most people realize. What are your thoughts on AI-powered hardware versus software solutions? Always curious to hear different perspectives. If you want more honest AI insights from someone who not started being an expert as ChatGPT enabled everyone to talk like a smartass, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a brilliant week.